You come back here this instant. Give me that book. I'm not finished with it, you impish little... Oops. Hi. I was just reading this fairy tale. You know, with the fairy godmother bit and all. When Salem... Oh, come back here with my...
Great witches brew. What's going on upstairs? By the great horned owl, how many times must I say there'll be no zapping in the house?
Sorry, Aunt Hilda.
Well, better not happen again or I'll zap both of you. Now, what was I doing? Oh, the vacuum. Oh! Well, that's what I call a clean sweep.
Oh, Sabrina!
Hi, Harvey. I'll be right down as soon as I change.
Change? Oh, that'll take forever.
Oh, is that so?
Huh? Oh, well, gosh. Gee, how'd you...
Shall we go, Harvey?
I wish you'd quit sneaking up on me like that, Sabrina. Now, how did you get from up...
Harvey, are you taking me to the school dance Saturday night?
Sure, yeah.
Gee, I wish I was going to the dance Saturday night.
Golly, Ophelia, hasn't Spencer asked you to go?
Are you kidding? Spencer doesn't even know I'm alive.
Hi, Spencer.
Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Harv. Hi, whatchamacallit.
What I mean? Oh, I could just die.
One low-calorie ice cream cone to go, Pop.
Want to keep in shape for the dance Saturday night, huh, Spencer?
Dance? Oh, heck no. I'm in training to make the Riverdale ping pong team.
Poor Ophelia could sure use a fairy godmother. Hey, why don't I give it a try?
Say, Ophelia, has anyone ever told you that you're a doll?
Why, Spencer, what a nice thing to say.
Huh? What'd I say? What did I say?
You called me a doll.
I did? I don't get it. I don't like girls. I can't even stand girls.
I would have preferred chocolate.
You see, Ophelia, Spencer does know you're alive.
Gee, Sabrina, Spencer noticed me.
Yeah, I've a feeling he's going to notice you a lot more, too.
Oops. There goes Ophelia. I better walk slow and avoid her. Hey, Ophelia! Wait up! Hey, baby doll! Yoo-hoo! Let me carry your books. Yoo-hoo, Ophelia!
I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
I'm sick. I actually carried a girl's books. I gotta wash my hands.
Let's see. I think I can use a mud puddle.
What-ho, my princess. Don't soil your slippers. Now, what did I do that for?
A mud puddle.
Oops.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
Hey, you guys, if you see Ophelia, don't tell her where I'm hiding.
Don't worry, Spence.
Our lips are sealed.
You're safe, buddy. Forget it.
Oh, boys, has anyone seen Spencer?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me.
Oh, darn.
We'll see about that.
friends like those. Who needs enemies? Nice seeing you, Ophelia, but I'm late for the gym.
Not so fast, Spencer.
Late for gym, but never too late to walk a charming girl to her next class.
Oh, Spencer.
Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Gangway! I held a girl's hand! Oh, I gotta take a whole shower.
Oh, why must boys be so difficult?
Oh, say, Sabrina, have you noticed strange things taking place around the school lately?
Strange things, Mr. Weatherby?
Yes, people floating,
Uh-oh, think fast, Sabrina. Perhaps it's spring fever? Love in bloom?
love in bloom. Oh, Miss Grundy, let me carry your books.
Phew, that was close.
Now, class, today we are studying Hawaii. Hawaii, that little island country, entirely surrounded by water. You notice that when we say Hawaii, we pronounce the I's E-E. There's a great difference between an island and a peninsula.
I didn't.
Boy, am I glad that I'm home and away from Ophelia. Every time I turned around in school today, strange things happened. Hot Dog Jr. and Chili Dog, you guard my door and don't let anybody in.
We've got our orders.
Check. I have a horrible feeling that if this keeps up, I may ask Ophelia to the dance. Oh, I just know I'm gonna hate myself, but...
Why, Spencer, what are you doing here?
I don't know, but as long as I'm here, how's about going to the dance Saturday night?
I'd love to.
I was afraid of that.
What a wonderful dance, Harvey. Isn't it fun?
Yeah, Sabrina, it's a real ball.
Have you seen Ophelia?
Yeah, she's there on the sidelines crying.
Crying? Ophelia, what is it? Where's Spencer? Didn't he bring you to the dance?
Oh, yes, he brought me.
Then why are you crying?
Because I don't know how to dance.
I think from now on, I'll stick to witchcraft.
Boy, how lucky can a guy get? I'm cutting out. Oh, no. Here I go again.
Oh, Spencer, you're going to teach me how to dance.
It looks that way, doesn't it?
Oh, Spencer, this is so much fun.
You know something? I don't get it, but I like it. I like it.
Hi. You know, aside from being constantly on my guard against letting friends find out about my being a teenage witch, it does have its advantages, like in getting ready for school. For instance... See what I mean?
Hey, Sabrina! Yoo-hoo! Sabrina! Oh, that boy brings out the black magic in me.
I'll be right down, Harvey.
How do you like my buggy's new muffler?
Groovy, Harvey, groovy.
A muffler! Of course! That's what Harvey needs for his mouth!
Come on, Sabrina, let's split for school.
Uh-oh, Aunt Hilda's picking on Harvey again.
Everything went black for a second.
We better go, Harvey, or we'll be late for class.
Huh? Oh, sure. Hey, Sabrina, why is it strange things always happen to me around your house?
Why, Harvey, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, no. Not the hiccups. When a witch gets hiccups, her magic goes haywire.
Boy, we're gonna be late. Wish we had wings instead of wheels. Got the hiccups, eh, Sabrina? They'll pass. Feel that floating sensation? These new cushion tires sure hug the road. Gee whiz, we're here already.
Come on, Harvey, we'll be late for class. Phew, that was close. I've just got to get rid of these... Oh, hiccups. Oh, dear. Shoo, go away.
Here, here, Sabrina. I'll take care of things. One must speak with authority to animals. Get out of the halls at once. Do you hear me? Go home, get. There. You see, my dear? Gone. I've had many experiences over the years of clearing the halls of stray cats and dogs and elephants. Somebody call the nurse.
I've got it. I'll send for Cousin Ambrose. Maybe he has a cure for hiccups.
Ah, Tony, you make the best pizza in Roma.
I'm sorry, Cousin Ambrose.
Oh, poor Sabrina. Hiccups, eh?
Yes, you've just got to help me.
Certainly. I'll call one of my colleagues in the medical field.
Gee, Ambrose, are you sure hiccups are his specialty?
Nurse? Nurse! Oh, doctor, this is even better. You see, doctor, Doctor?
Umgawa.
Dr. Umgawa. There was this elephant back there, and...
Perhaps you're right, my dear. He's not the right doctor for the job.
And then Dr. Umgawa. Dr. Umgawa. Oh, nurse! Oh, nurse!
Ah, just a moment. Now I know how to make your hiccups disappear.
Oh, good. Oops. Dear, I've hiccuped Cousin Ambrose away.
Nurse! Dr. Umgawa. Dr. Umgawa.
Something very strange is going on around here.
Here you are, my dear. Hold your nose and drink this right down without stopping.
Thank you.
Ugh, she's not Sabrina.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
I'd better hurry along to class. I hope the hiccups go away.
The day you're a jet pilot.
Look at Reggie!
I'll be a monkey's uncle.
You look more like an ant! Oh, Salem, am I glad to see you. You're right. It's best to go home until this blows over.
Hey, Sabrina!
Hi.
Watch our new football play. We call it the submarine. Okay, Spencer? Signals. 1, 2, 3. Hup, hup.
Uh-oh.
Hey, something tells me we've been practicing too hard, Spencer.
Home, Salem. Oh, dear.
Sorry, Sabrina, but none of our remedies seem to work.
Oh, Aunt Zelda and Hilda, this is terrible.
I begin to find it very entertaining and colorful, too.
It's awful, I tell you. In fact, being a teenage witch is terrible.
Shh, knock it off. It might be overheard. It was overheard. It's Della.
Did I detect a note of rebellion here?
It's Sabrina. She has a dreadful case of hiccups.
Yes, and I can't go near any of my friends.
You're right. A witch with hiccups would soon be discovered.
What am I going to do?
Aha! You mean with all this help, no one has come up with a solution to a mere case of hiccups?
Oh, we're working on it.
You bet. Let's see now. Oh, there must be an old family cure for hiccups here somewhere.
Yes, I'm sure I'll be cured soon, Miss Della. I'm sorry I bothered you.
Oh, no trouble, dear. You apprentice witches are my prime interest. Let me know if there's any more difficulty. There can always be some changes made.
Oops! Boy, that was close. Oops!
She's off again.
Thank goodness this day is over.
You can say that again. It was a real mix-up.
Hey, Harvey, let's head for Pops and have a blowout.
Why not?
That did it. It cured the hiccups. I'm cured.
You mean shock cured your hiccups?
That's right. An ordinary mortal remedy.
Well, of course, I could have whipped up a potion that would have cured the hiccups sooner or later.
Of course you would, Aunt Hilda.
One moment. I want to test this remedy of yours.
Thanks just the same, but I'm already cured, Cousin Ambrose.
Oh, darn. I wanted to see if it would work.
It worked all right, only vice versa.
Oh, dear.